is John K. Just wanted to quickly show you my mini off-the-grid setup. You can see I've got a 24 volt 200 watt solar panel on the roof of the old shed. So I'll show you what that's connected to. Let me just turn some lights on. This is the workbench. So that solar panel comes in off the roof and is connected, you see that yellow cable, to the 10 amp Tesla solar power amplifier. So you can see him blinking away there. And the output of that, we follow those wires up, goes to what I've got. I'm running two primary banks. So at the moment I'm charging the two batteries on the left. You can see the meter as it pulses up, increases the voltage. So these are both 12 volt 50 amp hour batteries, so I've got 100 amp hours there, 100 amp hours there. So that charges that up, and while the left bank is charging off the free energy off the sun, what I'm doing is using the other bank to run, follow that black wire out there, to run this solid state SG energizer. So you can see this guy is 4 coils, you can't really see them too well. 4 boards, 6 transistors per board. I don't know if you can see that too well. Okay, and then they are charging, follow those wires down there, those 6 batteries there. So those 6 batteries are configured for 24 volts. And that's about 780 amp hours of batteries. Now while those are charging, that's one of my secondary banks. The other secondary bank here is powering this UPS, which I've turned into an inverter. And what that can do is, I'll just switch him on, and wait till it powers up. Just turn the little beeper off. So that's running things like my laptop, this power board. If I switch this on, it'll run that soldering iron. It'll give me some light. Okay, and it can run, about 400 watts worth of AC appliances. So that's the setup there. So again, the meter up there. Switch this meter on, just to give you an idea where these guys are sitting. And probably help if I connect up some leads. So there you go. So that a couple of hours ago was sitting at about 24.35 volts. So it's charging quite nicely off this. So the idea is, with this setup, is to use that 200 watt solar panel off the roof in conjunction with this device, which charges up my primaries. My primaries then run this solid state SG, which by the way is running at 12 volts, pulling about 1.2 amperes. So it's running very, very little energy, but charging this big battery bank there. And when it's charged, I just swap him over with that one to run my AC appliances. So that's the setup. I'll keep running it for a while, but it kind of gives you a bit of an idea how you can use a couple of different devices here to be able to maximise solar, or you could just run that off a mains powered power supply as well. So there's a few options there. Anyway, thanks for watching, and John K out. Cheers.